Good evening, everyone. I'm Jovita Moore.
And I'm George Estevez. The CDC is going to soon start screening passengers at Atlanta's airport for the coronavirus. Here's what we know. Video here shows crews cleaning what's considered to be ground zero for the virus. This is in Wuhan, China. Right now, there's nearly 300 cases of this virus in several countries, including here in the U.S., and it's already killed 6 people in China.
Channel 2's Alyssa Hyman is live at Hartsfield Jackson Airport. Alyssa, there is concern, especially with a major holiday we'll be celebrating this weekend.
Yeah, Jovita, this weekend, the passenger we interviewed says there's going to be a lot of additional travel for the Chinese New Year. At this point, it's still unclear when those enhanced health screenings will start here at Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. The CDC has just said it'll begin in the coming days. Tuesday afternoon, the CDC made 2 very big announcements about the new coronavirus it's been monitoring in China. The first, there's now a confirmed case in the United States, a Washington state man who had recently visited Wuhan, China. The other big news, Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport will soon be among the 5 U.S. airports screening passengers when they arrive. CDC officials held a phone briefing Tuesday afternoon.
This is an evolving situation, and again, we do expect additional cases in the United States and globally.
While we're still waiting for the details about the health entry screenings, airport officials told us Atlanta only has 2 direct flights to Asia, Shanghai, China, and Seoul, South Korea. And the CDC will be on site at Atlanta's International Terminal to process any passengers who exhibit severe symptoms or who may have come in contact with the disease.
I heard it in Korea, but I never really think about it in the U.S.
We caught up with this passenger who was on the last flight in from South Korea Tuesday night, a country with a confirmed case. He told me he didn't have to go through any screenings when he landed, and he's not too concerned about the virus, but he thinks this coming weekend could be more of a concern.
There's like a Chinese New Year's this week, so they are kind of a little bit worried about it, like everyone's traveling around.
And the CDC tells us it is working with DHS to funnel travelers from Wuhan, China to those 5 U.S. airports, conducting the enhanced health screening that now will include the Atlanta Airport Customs and Border Protection. They are also working with the CDC to help identify travelers with symptoms of the virus. We're live tonight at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Alyssa Hyman, Channel 2 Action News Night Beat.
Now, Alyssa, the CDC is saying that people should not panic, even though some people have died from this virus. Tell us about the symptoms that we should look out for.
Yeah, Jovita, the initial symptoms of the virus include fever, cough, tightness in the chest, and then, of course, shortness of breath. Jovita?
All right, Alyssa, of course, we will continue to follow this. Thank you.
The screening here in Atlanta is happening because the first case of coronavirus has been detected in the United States in Seattle. A man who had been on a trip to China started feeling the symptoms, so he went to a doctor. Now he's in the hospital. Health officials in Washington state say basic steps will keep you from getting it.
We should all do exactly what we always do, which is this is flu season, so we wash our hands, we cover our mouths when we sneeze.
Now the Atlanta-based CDC has a team in Washington state for that confirmed case. They issued a travel health notice for anyone going to Wuhan City. The CDC also said it's going to share test results of the virus from around the world in the coming weeks.